We have not heard from the coronavirus task force. We haven't heard from the CDC. I'm assuming their work goes on. Is this vacuum in medicine, science, and facts for all of us who are citizens and taxpayers a kind of perverse victory for the Trump White House?
Well, I think in this case, as we've seen in many other cases, the president sees himself as the best messenger. He sees himself as his best chief of staff, his best communications director. And anyone who puts out information, factual as it may be, if it's contrary to the president's message, he sees that not only as a problem, but he often casts it as some sort of malevolent political enemy. Even medical studies that he refers to, he calls them anti-Trump. These are researchers who are trying to find treatments for a pandemic. I mean, the idea that these researchers would purposely try to keep a treatment from America just to thwart the president is pretty astonishing. But that's the way the president paints it. So to the extent that these agencies are referring to facts or referring to the fact that we are seeing an increase in cases, not just because we're testing more, we are belatedly testing more, but the United States has less than 5% of the world's population and about a third of the coronavirus deaths. I mean, that's a problem. And the president paints it in a way that looks like a victory. So this isn't the first time we've seen him deny science and facts in the pursuit of his message. It's just the latest example of it.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.